box over night.
I never apologize to
Take up a lot of space.
In 1931, a flood ripped through the areas surrounding China's Yangtze River, marking what would turn out to be the worst natural disaster the planet has ever seen. By some estimates, 4 million people died. It is no wonder that more deaths occur from flooding each year than any other natural disaster, and half of these deaths occur in vehicles. 1 foot of water is enough to float most cars, and 2 feet of rushing water can indeed carry away cars, SUVs, and pickups. Do not panic if your car becomes submerged by floodwaters. Release your seatbelt, roll down your window, and get out of the car. If your windows won't open, let the car fill with water so that the pressure equalizes, then open the door. If you are swept away in a current, lean back with your feet facing downstream as to protect you from debris. If at a UPS facility and flooding does occur, stay away from the water and proceed to the designated evacuation areas or get to higher ground. And remember, always keep safety as your top priority.